read the question carefully. You might want to pause the video. In any case, we have to find how far is it directly from Fort Myers to Orlando. So Fort Myers to Orlando, let's name this triangle. So we can say A, okay, and Sarasota B, C. So this distance is B, that is what we want to find, and we need to find the bearing should the pilot use to fly directly from Fort Myers to Orlando. So this angle, that means A equals what? Since this is 50, this is a straight line, so 180. So this angle is B is in fact 180 minus 50, so 130. So we have a triangle with three parts given, one angle B, and this is C, so lowercase c is 150. This distance is 100, so lowercase a is 100. Okay, so we know this side 100, this side 150, the angle between them 130 degrees. Now we need to find angle A and this length B. Okay, so we want to use the law of cosines because the angle is given but the opposite side is not given, that's asked. So we need to use the law of cosines using B, and it's given that B square equals A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine of B, that is B square equals A square. A is 100 square, so 10,000 plus C square 150 square, so 2250 minus 2 times C is 150 times A, okay, 2CA, 2AC something. A is 100 times cosine of B, B is 130. Okay, use your calculator and we get B square equals 51783.63. okay, then take a square root both sides, so B equals 227.56. okay, that will be miles. This, so the answer for part A is this. Now we need to find this angle A. Since the angle and opposite side are given because we just found B, now we can use the law of sines to find this angle A. So using the law of sines, sine A over A equals sine B, because B is given, so sine B over B. Or we could have used the another law of cosines that involves angle A. That means A square equals B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. That would do it, but this might be shorter. That is sine A, A is to be determined, over A, that's 100, equals sine B, B is 130, over lowercase b that we just found, 227.56. Cross multiply, that means just move 100 to the top because we want to isolate sine A and eventually A. So sine A equals 100 times sine 130 all over 2, this is times by the way, 227.56. okay, I don't want to go for decimal. Now I want to take sine inverse both sides, so A equals sine inverse of this junk, okay, this number, and using a calculator that gives 19.67. that's the bearing, so degrees, that's another answer. Okay, fine.